Hello and welcome back, everyone. You're listening to Study English Online, the channel where we help you speak English clearly, confidently, and naturally. I'm Jason.
And I'm Julia. Thanks for joining us today. If you're learning English and you want faster progress, you're in the right place.
Today's episode has a powerful message, simple but life-changing for your English.
The topic is listen more, speak better, grow faster.
Many learners believe the best way to improve speaking is to speak as much as possible.
And speaking practice is important, of course.
But what most learners don't realize is this: your speaking improves fastest when your listening improves first.
Exactly. Listening is the foundation. It's the input. Speaking is the output.
If you want better output, you need better input.
In today's episode, we're going to go deep. We'll explain why listening changes your English, the mistakes learners make, and the habits that actually work.
We'll also do mini practice moments with you, so it's not just advice. You'll learn while listening.
Perfect. So let's begin.
Julia, let me ask the big question. If someone wants to speak English better, why should they focus on listening?
Because listening trains your brain to recognize real English, real speed, real pronunciation, real vocabulary, real sentence patterns.
So it's not the textbook English that looks perfect on paper.
Right, it's the English people actually use. And if you don't hear that kind of English often, you'll struggle to produce it naturally.
That makes sense. It's like music. If you want to play jazz, you have to listen to jazz.
Great example. You can study music theory all day, but if you never listen, your performance won't feel natural.
Let's connect this to language learning. Babies learn by listening first.
Exactly. Babies don't start with grammar rules. They listen for months, sometimes more than a year, before they speak.
And during that time, they're building a sound library in their brain.
Yes, sounds, patterns, emotions, rhythm, pauses, stress, all of it.
English learners can do the same thing, right?
Absolutely. If you listen enough, you start to feel what sounds correct. That feeling helps you speak faster and more naturally.
That English feeling is powerful. Sometimes learners say, "I don't know why, but this sentence feels right."
And that's listening working in the background.
Let's make it practical. Can you give an example of how listening teaches vocabulary naturally?
Sure. Imagine you keep hearing, "I'm gonna grab a coffee."
At first, you might think grab means take with your hand.
But after hearing it in context, you learn it means get or buy in a casual way.
So you don't just learn the dictionary meaning, you learn the real meaning.
Exactly. And then one day you're with a friend and you say, "I'll grab a coffee," and it comes out naturally.
That's the dream. Natural speaking without translating in your head.
Listening helps you stop translating because your brain starts processing English like a direct message, not a puzzle.
Another big thing learners struggle with is pronunciation.
Yes, many people learn grammar and vocabulary, but they don't sound natural because they haven't listened enough.
They pronounce every word too clearly, too separately.
Exactly. But native speakers connect words. They reduce sounds. They use rhythm.
Like, "What are you doing?" often becomes "what you doing," or "what are you doing," depending on the accent.
If you only read English, you don't learn that.
Right. Listening teaches you how English really sounds, so your speaking becomes smoother.
Okay, so listening is important, but here's the problem. Many learners listen a lot and still don't improve.
Yes, because they listen in ways that don't create real learning.
Let's talk about the most common mistakes.
Mistake number 1 is only passive listening.
Like playing English in the background while doing chores.
Exactly. Passive listening helps a little, especially with getting used to sounds. But if that's all you do, your improvement will be slow.
So we need active listening too.
Yes, active listening means you focus, you try to understand, you replay parts, you notice new phrases.
Mistake number 2.
Choosing material that's too hard.
like watching fast news or difficult movies with lots of slang.
And then learners feel lost and think, my English is terrible.
But it's not their English, it's the level.
Exactly. Listening material should be a little challenging, but not impossible.
Like 80% understandable, 20% new.
Perfect. That's a great target.
Mistake number 3, listening only once.
Yes, repetition is magic. The first time you understand the general idea. The second time you catch details. The third time you notice pronunciation and new expressions.
Many learners think repeating is boring.
But repetition is what makes language stick in your memory.
Mistake number 4, trying to understand every single word.
This is huge. Learners stop the audio every time they hear an unknown word.
And then listening becomes stressful, not enjoyable.
Exactly. You don't need 100%. Focus on the main meaning. Guess from context. Keep going.
So if learners avoid these mistakes, their listening becomes much more powerful.
Yes. And now let's share smart techniques to listen effectively.
Technique number 1, focus time.
Yes. Even 10 minutes of focused listening is more valuable than 60 minutes of distracted listening.
Here's a simple rule. During focused listening, don't scroll.
Exactly. Put the phone down, sit, listen, pay attention.
Technique number 2, shadowing.
Shadowing means you repeat at the same time as the speaker.
It feels strange at first.
But it trains your mouth, your rhythm, and your confidence.
Let's do a mini practice right now. Great, so everyone listening, repeat after me, out loud if you can. I'll grab a coffee.
Again, with a relaxed rhythm. I'll grab a coffee.
One more time, smooth and natural. I'll grab a coffee.
Nice. That's shadowing.
Technique number 3, transcripts or subtitles.
But important, use English subtitles, not your native language.
Right. First, listen without subtitles if you can, then check subtitles to confirm what you missed.
It's like checking answers after practice.
Exactly.
Technique number 4, learn small vocabulary daily.
Yes, just 2 or 3 useful phrases per day.
Not 20.
Because learning too much makes you forget faster. Small daily progress builds strong memory.
Technique number 5, listen to what you enjoy.
This is so important. If you like sports, listen to sports. If you like business, listen to business.
Because interest creates consistency.
And consistency creates fluency.
Let's connect listening to speaking again. How exactly does listening create better speaking?
Think of it like this. Every time you listen, you collect ready-made sentences.
Like building blocks.
Yes, and when you speak, you don't build from zero. You reuse those blocks.
That's why learners who listen a lot speak faster.
Exactly, because their brain already has patterns stored.
Let's talk about confidence.
Listening builds confidence because it reduces surprises.
Surprises?
Yes, many people fear speaking because they fear not understanding the other person.
Right. If you can't understand, you panic.
But if you listen daily, you've already heard common questions, common answers, common phrases. Conversations feel familiar.
Familiar equals safe.
Exactly. And when you feel safe, you speak more.
Now let's share daily habits, simple habits that fit into a busy life.
Habit 1. 5 minutes of English in the morning.
While brushing your teeth, making tea, or getting dressed.
It's short, but it sets your brain into English mode.
Habit 2. Use dead time.
Bus time, walking time, cleaning time. Listen during those moments.
Even 10 minutes a day becomes more than 1 hour per week.
Exactly.
Habit 3. Repeat one short clip daily.
Pick a 30-second or 1-minute clip you like. Repeat it every day for 1 week.
That's powerful.
Because you don't just understand it, you own it.
Habit 4. Watch videos with English subtitles.
And pause only when necessary.
Don't turn it into a dictionary exercise.
Right. Keep it natural.
Habit 5. Keep a listening journal.
After listening, write, what was it about? 2 new phrases, 1 sentence you want to copy.
That's simple and effective.
Now I want to talk about something learners don't expect. Listening changes your speaking even when you're not trying to speak.
That's true. It's like your brain is practicing silently.
Exactly. Your brain is making connections automatically if you give it enough input.
Let's share a few success stories for motivation.
Sure. One learner I know, Amina, listened to English for 15 minutes daily. After 2 months, she said she started forming sentences faster.
That's the power of consistency.
Another learner, Luis, watched a cooking show in English. He learned useful verbs like chop, mix, stir, and started using them naturally.
Learning English while enjoying content, that's the best way.
And a teenager named Ravi improved pronunciation through songs, listening and singing along every day.
Music teaches rhythm so well.
Now, Jason, can we give listeners a simple plan they can start today?
Yes, let's give them a 5 to 10 minute daily plan.
Step 1. Choose a short audio you like, 1 to 3 minutes.
Step 2. Listen once for general meaning.
Step 3. Listen again and shadow 2 sentences.
Step 4. Write 1 phrase.
Step 5. Speak for 1 minute. Summarize what you heard.
That's it. Small steps, big results.
Before we finish, I want to say something important to every listener.
Go ahead.
If you feel slow, if you feel stuck, it doesn't mean you're bad at English.
It might just mean you need more input.
Yes, more listening at the right level in the right way.
And when your listening grows, your speaking grows.
Automatically.
Let's do one final mini practice phrase that you can use today.
Great. Repeat after me. Can you say that again, please?
Again, can you say that again, please?
And a more natural, faster version. Can you say that again?
Perfect. That sentence gives you power in real conversations.
Because even native speakers ask people to repeat.
All right, friends. Thanks for spending time with us on Study English Online.
Remember, listen more, speak better, grow faster.
If you enjoyed this episode, you can replay it, and that's listening practice too.
Exactly. Repetition is progress.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and keep growing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.